This lesson is called Expression versus Equation. What the heck? It is the first lesson in my algebra series. What is a constant? In algebra, you have constants and variables. The constants are the kinds of numbers we are used to, numbers that hold their value. We know what they are. A dime is a constant. It is always 10 cents. A minute is a constant. Often all we see is just a regular number. I'll use blue for the constants. What is a variable? A variable is an amount that can change, like the temperature or the price of gas, a person's weight. In algebra, most variables are written with a letter. I'll use pink for the variables. What is an expression? An expression is when constants and variables are combined with math symbols to express an amount where some is known, that's the constant, and some is unknown, that's the variable. Let's say that our variable is the money in my pocket. It's a fixed amount today, but not every day. We'll call it M. If I offer to give you M plus $4, you won't know exactly how much money it is. M plus 4 is an expression. Expressions have no equal sign. You can't figure out how much money I'll give you because you don't know what M is. Now, if I give you a value for M, you can evaluate the expression for that value. This is algebra language. Evaluate M plus 4 where M is 5. Now you know how much money you'll get when M equals 5. You can do this one in your head. So if M is 5, M plus 4 is 9. That's what you're figuring out. What is an equation? An equation is two expressions that are equal. Equations have an equal sign. They are balanced. This is what algebra is about. You can figure out unknown amounts when you have more information as long as you keep the balance. M plus 4 equals 9 is an equation. You can see that M equals 5 because the two sides have to be equal. Keep the balance to solve the equation. The two expressions in the equation don't have to both contain a variable, but they can. You can figure out what the variables are because you have more information. Keep the balance, and you can find the variables even when the numbers aren't obvious. That's what we're doing. An expression equals an expression. Keep the balance. Expression versus equation recap. An expression has no equal sign. You evaluate it or you simplify it. I haven't explained that yet. M plus 4. An equation has an equal sign and two expressions. You solve it for a particular variable. M plus 4 equals 9. That's the equation, and you solve it for M to find out what M is equal to.